my name's Roberta Ashdown. I'm the Superheat Quality Director, and my team maintains 2 quality programs, a Class 1 nuclear quality program that's compliant to 10 CFR 50 Appendix B, and we also have an ISO 9001 certified program. In the nuclear world, clients like both programs. Just because you're going to a nuclear plant doesn't mean you're always doing safety-related work. There's non-safety related work at nuclear plants all the time. They can use our ISO 9001. Well, we built our Class 1 nuclear program to be robust because it has to be. We have a procedure for everything. There's traceability right from the workpiece to the person who completed the work, to the person who reviewed their work, to the procedure, to the person that approved the procedure. There's just always traceability. So if you're doing safety-related work, that means you're working on a system that needs to be able to perform its safety function in the event that there was an issue at the plant. So if you're working on something safety-related, you always have in the back of your mind that this could lead to a radiation exposure or an event at a nuclear plant. Our first nuclear project was over 2 decades ago. Since that time, we have worked over 300 projects in nuclear power plants. Many of those jobs were safety-related jobs where we implemented our Class 1 program. Superheat, one of the things that's unique about us that is usually the most advantageous for clients, specifically in nuclear, is that we have our centralized Smart Center. Our Smart Center takes our field personnel out of the hot areas with the potential radiation during the operation of the heat cycle. So if we need to adjust a cycle, we can do that remotely in our Smart Center, and that reduces the potential radiation exposure for our field personnel. When we're discussing our Smart Center and remote control and operation of our heat cycles, clients might have questions about cybersecurity. So I just want to lay it out on the table that our IT department wants to meet your IT department. They work together often with many nuclear plants to make sure that we are able to operate remotely while still following the tight cybersecurity protocols. There's a reason that it's so paperwork heavy. You have to have all those procedures in place so that you can deliver consistent heat treatment with successful results every time.